Hi, I'm John. So I want to talk about my miter saw. It's a Makita LS1013F. It's a sliding miter saw. Um, Served me wonderfully well. My big problem with it over the years has always been dust collection. It came with this bag that you attach back here into this dust port. Um, and I guess it's kind of like a passive dust collection. Whatever would kind of make it into the bag would hopefully stay. There is a little ramp under here that goes up into this dust port. I've attached a shop vac to it now, so hopefully I'll have better dust collection. I would like to give it every opportunity possible by creating a ramp here that goes down a little bit to funnel more into it. So I've just got a piece of paper and some gaffer's tape. I made it out of paper and tape because I figure if I'm cutting any high piece of wood, it may hit it, and so I wanted something that was somewhat compliant and pliable. So I think that worked really well. I'm going to set up the camera in for a tight shot here. Maybe I can get a shot of where the dust is actually going into the vacuum port. Usually there would just be a cloud of dust that would have filled up this general area and covered the table that's down below the saw. I see like almost no dust on the table, like few pieces here, but tremendous improvement.